me.
Duff. Duff.
I'm waiting for Gary to say you've lost something.
Gary's not behind us. Gary's way up ahead.
Oh, we've had to change.
We're standard and standard.
Oh wow.
We've got Andrew behind now, I think.
Yeah, I love it. Oh, rocking all over the world.
Not jelly baby time, is it?
Just one, well, two or one, however you look at it.
That's the question.
You were falling.
Yeah, well. Didn't. Did that.
Oh, it's bum dry. It's unbelievable, isn't it? Look at it, just bum dry. Wow, yeah.
Do you get the impression this is normally much wetter?
Yeah, like permanently wet almost.
Yeah.
It's like someone siphoned all the water away.
It's so weird. Do you know why I'm alternating between ruts, no ruts?
Yeah.
The next bit of water up ahead that we sometimes miss out should be fine, I think, Gary. Although, you know, obviously play it by ear.
Oh. Wait for us.
I just about managed that, Joel. Thank God for me snorkel.
I don't know where they're on about. They're so far ahead.
Oh.
Oh, too late.
I've got my tank guard on that than anything else.
No, go for it. I was going to abort and it's like, oh, sod it. Oh, we
Well,
aborted
the last
behind.
bugger we went through when it was high with water.
That way, Joel says bugger.
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 Pause up here, Gary. Just let everyone regroup a minute because I think some of the others are farther behind.
We're coming!
Right, there's no rush. See on this lane, are they?
No, we've gone home. We've got scared. So hard to try and put that back when it's jiggly. I think I probably did slow down a bit much there.
Yeah, to be honest.
Oh, is that the water thing?
Are you taking it?
Yeah.
It's when you regret because they've come out of it because they know it's too deep or something rotted. Oh.
I'm in the wrong gear, that's what I'm saying. It's going to be rutted, but it's going to be fine.
Yeah, well.
She says. Oh! Bang!
Thank you. Who supplied the? Who did we buy this from?
eBay.
Yeah, but I meant who makes it?
Mantec.
Mantec. Thank you, Mantec, for your front bumper protector. Yeah, he's through.
Like a champ.
Absolute champ.
Cool, follow that one.
You, me both.
Oh, they're over there, by the way.
Yeah, I know.
Can you imagine if you can't get out of this now? You just wave and tell them goodbye. Clear.
Oh, brakes.
Yeah, I was going to say, I think that was the terrain thing, wasn't it? Are we going to sandwich the Beamer?
I'm going to pop behind it.